Phrases related to shopping. Excuse me, do you work here? Could you help me, please? I'm trying to find a suitcase. Do you have this in another color? How much is this? How much are these? Do you have something less pricey? Do you have a smaller size? Where is the changing room? Is there somewhere I can try this on, please? I don't need any help. I'm just browsing. Thanks. It's not what I'm looking for. That's not exactly what I'm looking for. I'd like to return this. I'd like to change this for a different size. It doesn't fit me. It doesn't work. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your service.